Today, I'm gonna be tearing apart this microwave to let you see what's inside. We're gonna see what kind of scrap we can get out of it to salvage. See if it's got a little bit of copper and brass, aluminum. Got a few screws on the perimeter and 1/4 inch. Take them off. Not gonna need a whole lot of tools to take this apart. Most of it's Phillips screwdriver head or 1/4 inch socket. Might need a pair of snips for a couple of these wires too. This is a microwave from about 1990, a little bit before 2000, so it's a little heavier than the ones that are on the market nowadays. Every one you tear apart is a little bit different. You gotta try to get the most out of whatever you can. I know we're gonna have a little bit of scrap that we have to throw out. We try to keep as much metal as we can and wires, stuff like that. This is a microwave we got out of the little trailer we tore apart last week. So I figure I'd go ahead and tear it apart, try to give you an idea of what's inside one of these things. Yeah, they don't make them like that anymore. A lot more plastic on newer ones. There's not going to be as much copper in the newer ones either. A lot of them copper windings, they put aluminum now, so it's getting a little cheaper and cheaper. Now I'm gonna work on getting this transformer out of there, get some of this wires out of the way so I can get this tore down. Try to get as much copper out of it as we can. Now we got pretty much the carcass left here, just metal, so that's gonna go in with the sheet iron. Some of the little things in here are a little tedious. Got a lot of brass pieces that are really small. I try to save everything. Anything that's got any kind of value stack up after a while. Might only be small, save enough of them. Now this transformer was a perfect example of aluminum windings. You see that white looking color there when you snip, that's no good. That's not going to be worth hardly anything. That's aluminum. Unfortunately, even some of the older ones, they did that. Probably wasn't a popular brand. It's probably an off brand. Nevertheless, it's a lot bigger transformer than what the newer ones have. Now, if you cut the edge of some of them pieces, you're not for sure if it's aluminum or brass. You snip the edge to look at it, and it's gonna be that brassy looking, yellow looking color. Otherwise, if it's white, silvery color, it's more likely aluminum. If it ain't aluminum, it's gonna be steel. Now this little piece is solid copper. The end's got metal on it. You definitely have to have a pair of side cutters to get that metal piece off there. Otherwise, they're not gonna like that when you put that in with the copper. We're weighing up here. 1 pound of aluminum, 2 pounds of copper, 3 pounds of plastic, and I think a 1/4 pound of brass. I had to separate the steel because my scale only goes up to 25 pounds. I think we ended up with 25 pounds once, and the second time was 18 pounds. Close to 45 pounds, but if you figure the total weight. Now I'm cutting the ends off this transformer. Get about down to the last piece of this thing. Once I cut the ends there, you'll be able to see it a little better. Now that's the copper piece there. It wasn't cooperating too good. Times you just gotta have a little patience. Work at it long enough, it's gonna come out of there.